Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? Dent coin holder, in this time, my friends, the video is very important because it's a very urgent update for all Dent coin holder because the price is decreased now. Definitely, when condition is critical, when coin were fails down, so ABS Tech channel will notify you and give you a very good advices to do this. Otherwise, you will lose. So please, holder, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Kindly just only we will, my friends, our target is to 15,000 subscriber. I hope you will easily complete this. Just 2,000 subscriber needed. Kindly easily complete now. Please subscribe it. All right, my brother, in this time the Dent coin price is, you can see here, minus 39.69%. my friend, you can see here they were fails down, but don't worry, my friend, as you can see here, I hope my friend, as you can see here, 60%, my friend, the price will increasing now. So I hope they will recover this all lost again now. But please, if you want, my friends, to get a profit now, do this what I tell you, otherwise you will lost. My friends, if a coin were fails down for a short time, just and only, as you can see here, like that, so that does not mean to they were fails down more and more and more. Absolutely, my friend, as you can see here, just and only, I will give you a second proof. If you can see, my friend, they were fails down like that, like that, like that, and like that. As you can see here, the resistance line is moving in upward direction, and that's clear to if they were moving in this style. So remember, my brothers, so they will make you a millionaire now. Thanks for watching, holder. Kindly like video and also subscribe this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.